Hey guys, this is Rick Musick, Internet Manager at Toyota Melbourne. Just wanted to do a quick walk around video for you on that Highlander XLE hybrid we have up here. I didn't know you guys weren't aware that it was a bench seat, so I just wanted to show you how easy it is to access the third row seat from the bench. Just wanted to show you the power passenger seat, leather, and of course you get the sunroof with the XLE. So with the bench seat, you can seat 8 passengers instead of 7. And to get into the third row, it is fairly easy. This goes all the way up to there, so even grown adults can hop in and out of there pretty easily. You don't have to bring these all the way back. You can sit them about right here, and that would give the third row plenty of room. You get the power lift gate, of course, and this pops up as well. A lot of people don't know that. This comes up and moves down. And there's your power lift gate. You can open and close that lift gate from a button on the key fob or a button on the dash, or just push the button like I did to open it. So as you can see, with the third row seat recline, you get plenty of room back here if you move the center seats up a little bit. So just wanted to show you guys a little bit more in case we make the deal. And I don't know if you're aware, but at my dealership, you also get a lifetime warranty on the engine and transmission. And Toyota gives you 2 years of free maintenance. There's your navigation, backup camera. You got different drive modes down here. Bluetooth settings. You know, it has Toyota Safety Sense, gives you adaptive cruise control, lane departure alerts with steer assist, forward collision warnings. And this one, of course, has the blind spot detection on the side mirrors with rear cross traffic alert. So I hope this video answers all your questions. Give me a call whenever you guys are ready. 321-254-8888. I'm at extension 282. Again, Rick Musick from Toyota Melbourne. I hope you like my video and have a great day.